Hello everyone, in this video I will introduce how to test the auto-reclosing relay function with voltage, angle phase, frequency check by using PONOVO's PW636i protection relay test equipment and NR's PCS line protection relay. First, run Powertest software and open the template for auto-reclosing for PCS. Item 1 to 4 are for voltage difference of synchronized check for auto-reclosing function. Item 5 to 8 are for phase angle difference of synchronized check. Item 9 to 12 are for frequency difference of synchronized check. Item 13 is for reclosing time check. Go to setting page to set the synchronized value, trip time, and the reclosing time. Select the reference phase of synchronize. Reference phase of synchronize is UA. The reclosing time is 1 second. The voltage difference is 10 volts. The angle phase difference is 30 degrees. The frequency difference is 0.2 Hz. Then go to the parameter page to set proper preferred time to energize reclosing. Here we use 30 seconds. We don't use the circuit breaker simulation box here, but we will show it later. After the setting, we can click Run to start the testing. Now output the preferred time, normal voltage, and no current. The relay reset the status. Output 30 seconds normal voltage for energize the reclosing function. Item 1 is negative 95% voltage difference, so should be in synchronized area and the relay will reclose. In the result, showed the trip time is 0.628 second and the reclosing time is 1.041 second. Item 2 is negative 105% voltage difference, so should be out of synchronized area and the relay will not close. And in the result, showed the trip time is 0.627 seconds, but no reclosing time, so the result is correct. Item 3 is positive 95% voltage difference, so should be in synchronized area and the relay will reclose. In the result, shown the trip time is 0.629 seconds and the reclosing time is 1.041 seconds. Item 4 is positive 105% voltage difference, so should be out of synchronized area and the relay will not reclose. In the result showed the trip time is 0.627 seconds, but no reclosing time, so the result is correct. For angle, phase, and the frequency testing are same. Positive and negative 95% is in the synchronized area, the relay will reclose, and positive negative 105% is out of synchronized area, and the relay will not reclose. Here we use fast replay to show the other testing process. Item 13 is accurate trip, used to check the second trip after reclosed. In the result showed the trip time, close time, and the ACC trip time. On the relay's screen, it shows the trip, reclose, trip sequence information. Now we may click Report to check report and save it. Save as system report of PONOVO. Or if needed, you may convert the report to a Word file. Now we will connect PONOVO's PSS01 circuit breaker simulator to check with auto-reclosing function. We set the trip time is 70 milliseconds and the closing time is 120 milliseconds. And this time we use CB Operate in Powertest software to do the testing. Set the same settings as relay. Click Parameter to set the CB simulation. CB simulation, select Yes, trip time 70 milliseconds and the closing time 120 milliseconds. Click Run to start the testing. Because we connected the PS01, so binary input D is closed like CB, will show open close state, same procedure like trip, reclosing, trip sequence. In the result, it shows the trip time is 0.697 seconds, reclosing time is 1.149 seconds, and the second trip time is 0.709 seconds. Here is comparison between the testing result with or without PSS01. Trip time is 70 and 69 difference. This is about the same as the setting of PS01. Closing time is 108 millisecond difference. This is about the same as the setting of PS01. Thank you for watching the demo, and if you may need any inquiry, please contact info@relaytest.com for further support.